If you're a hobbyist, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who hates running to the hardware store mid-project for a tiny spring, today's review is for you. We're taking a close look at the SciWil 390-piece Compression Spring Assortment Kit. This set promises to be the ultimate grab-and-go solution for a huge range of small spring needs. Let's dive in and see if it really delivers. First, let's talk about what's in the box. The kit contains 390 individual springs spread across 28 different sizes. The wire diameters range from a very fine 0.3 millimeters up to 0.8 millimeters, with outer diameters between 2 and 8 millimeters and free lengths from 5 to 30 millimeters. That covers a surprisingly wide spectrum, everything from delicate electronics to stiffer mechanical parts. What really stands out is the sheer convenience. Instead of hunting for one specific spring, you have a library of options right at your fingertips. The construction is a major highlight. These are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. That means they're resistant to rust and corrosion, which is a huge plus if you're working on projects that might see moisture or who just want something that will last. A quick note. The manufacturer points out that due to the cutting and forming process, the springs may have slight magnetism. This is completely normal and doesn't affect performance, but it's good to know, especially if you're working near sensitive electronics. In terms of real-world use, this kit really shines in variety. Whether you're repairing a garage door mechanism, tweaking a 3D printer, fixing a valve, or building a small robot, you'll almost certainly find a spring that fits. The springs feel consistent in tension and hold up well under repeated compression. The stainless steel finish gives them a clean, professional look. Now let's be balanced. No product is perfect. The biggest downside to this kit is that the springs are tiny, really tiny. If you have large hands, you might find handling individual springs a bit fiddly. Also, because there are so many sizes packed into one case, it can be a little tricky to quickly identify the exact spring you need if you're in a hurry. The labeled case helps, but you still have to measure or compare visually. Another minor point is that while the case is reusable and well organized, it's made of plastic and might not survive a serious drop. How does it compare to other spring assortments on the market? There are plenty of options, but few offer this blend of variety, material quality, and organized storage at this price point. Many cheaper sets use carbon steel that can rust, while ultra-premium sets can cost 3 times as much. SciWil strikes a very good middle ground. To get the most out of this kit, I recommend sorting the springs by size or wire gauge to your preference once you open the case. Keep a small pair of tweezers handy for handling the tiniest ones. And if you're working on a long-term project, consider buying an extra set to ensure you never run out of a specific size. Overall, the SciWil 390-piece Compression Spring Assortment Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone who works with mechanical parts. It's especially great for 3D printer enthusiasts, robotics builders, small engine mechanics, and homeowners who like to fix things themselves. If you value convenience, quality, and having the right part ready when you need it, this kit will save you time, frustration, and repeated trips to the store. Thanks for watching, and happy building.